AI is everywhere now. Phones, cars, even in our home.
Do you think AI makes life too easy?
People might stop thinking and solving problems.
And students use AI for homework too much.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Lina Talk. In this video, we have an interesting conversation about AI in our life. We will talk about technology and artificial intelligence, like phones, cars, and how AI helps people. But we also talk about some problems, like people being lazy or students not working hard. This video will help you learn simple, everyday English in a fun way. So let's get started.
Hi, David.
Hi, Anna. How are you today?
I'm good. Today I am thinking about AI.
Oh, artificial intelligence? That's cool.
Yes, AI is everywhere now. Phones, cars, even in our homes.
Right. My phone has AI. It can answer my questions fast.
My car has AI too, and it helps me drive safely.
That's amazing. But do you think AI makes life too easy?
Maybe yes. People use AI for everything, even easy jobs.
Like ordering food, shopping, even cleaning the house.
Yes, some houses even have AI robots now.
True. But if AI does everything, people may get lazy.
I agree. People might stop thinking and solving problems.
And students use AI for homework too much.
Yes, they just copy answers. That's not good.
Students need to practice and learn by themselves.
Right. AI should help, not do everything for them.
But AI is not only bad, it also helps doctors.
Yes, AI can find sickness faster than people sometimes.
That's true. In hospitals, AI can save lives.
In schools, too, teachers use AI to explain lessons.
Yes, but teachers are still more important.
Exactly. AI can teach facts, but teachers give feelings.
Well said. But what about jobs? Will AI take jobs?
Some jobs, yes, but AI will also make new jobs.
Oh, like people who design AI? That's interesting.
Yes, we need humans to control AI.
Good point. AI should be our tool, not our boss.
Yes, if AI becomes boss, that's scary.
So, the future of AI is both good and dangerous?
Right. We must be careful and use it wisely.
I agree. Balance is very important.
AI saves time, but we must still use our brain.
True. Smart humans with smart AI. That's the best future.
Yes, together we can make a better world.
Great talk, Hannah.
Thanks, David. Let's keep learning and thinking.
Great job! We just watched an interesting conversation. What do you think? Do you use AI every day? Do you learn something new from this video? Write your answers in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Bye!